Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to fix trackpad problem on your Dell Latitude E5440. The first thing you need to do, you need to update your machine. Go to setting and click on update, then wait. After all updates installed, click on restart and wait as your machine is restarting. Then you can check if the trackpad is fixed after restarting your machine, and give some time as to restart. Issue of trackpad is not yet fixed. After update, you open the laptop and check the hardware, check the cables. If they are not well connected, connect them again. Then also you can clean the trackpad. Maybe there's some dust enter there that caused the issue that caused your trackpad not to work. Sometimes it's not a major issue that can fix your problem. After opening my machine, I have to fix and see maybe there was some loose cables or there's some other dust inside my trackpad. I clean the trackpad. I clean all the dust and I put it back again. So before closing completely my keyboard, as you see that is an open place of keyboard, I have to check if my trackpad is working. Now let's see. Wow, as you see now, you can see the cursor there. You can see my trackpad absolutely is working. I'm so happy. That really relieved me because I have been using mouse everywhere I go. I have to carry using mouse every time. But as you can see, everything is going on well. Wow, now I can also type. I can type now. You can see now I'm typing as well. The cursor is there, it's showing there. Yes, this really solved my issue of trackpad. Now goodbye to my mouse. It really it can give stress to some people. It's not a hard issue. You can fix it yourself. You don't have to go and look for maybe someone who knows how to fix this. Guys, you can do it by yourself. Just watch this video and follow the procedures. It's not hard. It's very simple, very easy. Just maybe the challenge and it comes to hardware, but some cases this one can just be fixed by only updating your machine. You don't have to open like the way I do. Mine, it was not fixing. I tried to update and see if it fixed the issue. It wasn't. But after opening and fixing all the